I'm Devine and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a comprehensive approach to language learning that I can call the Devine model. This model integrates the insight from several well-established theories to help you master new language effectively. Let's dive in and explore how direct exposure, engagement, visualization, interaction, natural immersion, and evaluation can transform your language learning journey. But before that, let us have first an overview of the 5 theories. First, let's briefly look at the foundational theories in language learning, and let's see how these theories play out in real-life language learning scenarios or situations. The first theory is the behaviorism theory by B.F. Skinner. It emphasizes the repetition and reinforcement. For an example, imagine you are using flashcards to tell your vocabulary. By repeatedly going through the flashcards and rewarding yourself when you get them right, you're using repetition and positive reinforcement to learn new words. Second theory is the cognitive theory by Jean Piaget. It looks at the mental process in learning. For an example, imagine that you are using a language learning app that includes puzzle and games. These activities engage your cognitive skills, helping you to solve problems and cognitive patterns in language, which deepens your understanding and retention. And the third theory is the social-cultural theory by Lev Vygotsky. It highlights the importance of social interaction. For an example, picture yourself in language exchange program by regularly conversing with a native speaker. You practice with language in real-life context. The native speaker helps you by correcting mistakes and introducing new vocabularies, enhancing your learning through social interaction. And the fourth theory is the nativist theory by Noam Chomsky. It focuses on our innate ability to learn language. For an example, think of a child growing up in a bilingual household. This child naturally pick up both language through exposure, demonstrating their innate ability to learn language without formal instruction. And the last one is the constructivism theory by Jerome Bruner. It sees learning as an active process of building knowledge. For an example, consider starting a blog in a language you're learning. By writing about your daily life and interest, you actively construct your knowledge of the language. The process helps you to internalize new vocabulary and grammar in meaningful way. So, each theory provides valuable insights for effective language learning. And that ends our overview of the 5 theories. And now, I'm going to share with you the Devine model for effective language learning. This model combines various theories and practical strategies to help you master new language, which is the Devine model. The D stands for direct exposure, and the description is this phase involves exposing learners to target language directly through various forms of media and real-life context. In theoretical basis, it is a behaviorism or repetition and reinforcement and nativist natural exposure to language. In the application, learners can watch TV shows, listen to music, and read books in the target language. This constant exposure helps you get used to the sounds, rhythm, and vocabulary of the language. And E stands for engagement. The description: active participation and practice in language learning activities. Theoretical basis: it is cognitive theory, which is active engagement and processing. In the application: actively participate in language learning activities like using language learning apps, play language games, and solve puzzles. This helps learners to engage cognitively with the language, help reinforce and what they have learned. And V stands for visualization. Description: using visual aids and imagery to learn and remember new vocabulary and concepts. In theoretical basis: dual coding theory, combining verbal and visual information, and constructivism, or building of knowledge. Learners can use flashcards with pictures, watch instructional videos, and create mind maps to visualize connections between words and concepts. This makes learning more interactive and memorable. And I stands for interaction. Description: practicing the language through social interaction with others. In theoretical basis: social interactionism, importance of social context and interaction. In application: engage in conversations with native speakers, participate in language exchange program, and join language clubs. This phase focuses on practicing speaking and listening in real-life situations, especially through interactions which help you apply what you've learned and improve your fluency. And second to the last is the natural immersion. Immersing oneself in an environment where the target language is naturally used. In theoretical basis: it is nativism, natural language acquisition, and constructivism, or active learning in context. Application: travel to countries where the language is spoken, stay with a host family, or create an immersive environment at home by labeling items and setting the device language to the target language in everyday situations. So, this helps you learn language in context. And the last one, E, stands for evaluation. The description: assessing language progress, the understanding through regular evaluation. In theoretical basis: cognitive theories or self-assessment and reflection. In application: take language proficiency test, keep a language learning journal, and set measurable goals. This phase involves reflecting on progress and identifying areas for improvement. So, in summary, the Devine model combines direct exposure, engagement, visualization, interaction, natural immersion, and evaluation to create a comprehensive approach to language learning. Try incorporating these strategies in your routine and see how they work for you. Happy learning!